Guys, I blow dried my hair with this new titanium blow dryer from Tideway. It's amazing. It dried my hair in under 7 minutes. No frizz. My hair is extra long, as you can see, and very thick, and it did an amazing job. Get yours while supplies last. The link will be in this video. Just tap the link. You get free shipping and a lot of discounts from TikTok. Claim your discounts and get your free shipping. Get yours now. Mother's Day is coming up, so get one for your mommy, for your sister, for your daughter. I blow dried my hair. It is amazing. It is so fast. Blow dryer. Look how long this cord is. It's so long. And it has this great plug. So it won't shut off. It is pinned in the bottom of this video. Share the video. Give us some likes. I will show you how it works. I just finished doing my hair. I have a lot of hair, and I did my hair in around 7 minutes. And look at no frizz. It looks really good. That's the sound. So it's very quiet. You can even speak over it. You can hear me. That is on high. This is regular. It has different temperature controls. It has 4 different temperature controls. It has hot,